Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open an app where you can find text to copy. For this example, let's use Chrome to open a website where we can select a text or phrase. This works the same way across most apps on your Pixel, whether you're browsing the web, reading emails, or viewing documents. Now, to copy any text, you'll need to highlight it first. Simply press and hold your finger on the text you want to copy. Once you do this, you'll notice that a portion of the text becomes highlighted and two blue arrows or handles will appear at the beginning and end of the selection. These handles are there to help you adjust your selection. If you need to expand or shrink the highlighted area, just drag these blue arrows to cover exactly the text you want. Move the left arrow to adjust the starting point and the right arrow to adjust the ending point. This gives you precise control over what gets copied, so you can select a single word, a sentence, or even multiple paragraphs. After you've adjusted the selection to include all the text you need, you'll see a menu pop up above the highlighted text. In this menu, tap on Copy. This action saves the selected text to your Pixel's clipboard, making it ready to be pasted anywhere you choose. Now navigate to any app or location where you want to paste the copied text. For example, let's say you want to send the text in a message. Open your Messages app and start a new conversation or select an existing one. Next, tap on the text field where you would normally type your message. Press and hold your finger on this text field for a moment. When you do this, a menu will appear with various options. From this menu, simply tap on Paste. The text you copied earlier will now be inserted into the text field, ready for you to send or edit as needed. And that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted text on your Google Pixel. This method works universally across almost any app on your device, making it easy to share information, save notes, or move text between different applications. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.